Don't buy this phone. 19 bucks. I'm very disappointed. It does not connect to Bluetooth. I followed the instructions exactly. Here is my Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it on. You see the lights blinking? Okay. They say you turn the phone on. So the phone is on. Then you push this button. For 4 seconds, it blinks. See, it's blinking. It connects, it goes solid. There it is, it's solid. That means I'm connected. It even says connected. Do I get anything coming through here? Nothing. I've been here for an hour, guys. Now I have to go buy another phone. I mean, it's ridiculous. I've called the wife about 10,000 times. It just doesn't connect. This doesn't connect. It shows it's connected. I can disconnect it. Watch. I'll turn my Bluetooth off. See, it's off? Doesn't matter. I've done this over and over and over and over. It does not connect. It will not stream anything through the Bluetooth. So just to show you guys again, we'll do this one more time. Hold the button. I'm blinking. Turn the phone on. Hold it down. It's blinking. And watch. There it is. Garbage. It's garbage. It doesn't work. So there you have it. Don't buy the phone. If you're a Bluetooth guy, this thing is useless. Just saying.